What is up right here? Now we're back with another video review of the Oslas University 4.0 stocks course. And today we're gonna be discussing about these and probably if something you could consider. I know a lot of you have been wondering if this is something you could go for, but we're gonna be discussing about this right away. As you know that the Oslas University 4.0 is now called the Real World, and this is owned by Andrew Tate. And this aspect is one of the curriculums of this university. As you know, this is more like an institution that is what Andrew Tate calls it. So today let's discuss about this the aspect of stock. So if you're interested in the stock trading and you want to learn more about the stock market, then this is it. And right here we've get some reviews from some of my team members. Now, what I do because here we review most of all these online courses, iTicket courses, and several online courses out there that a lot of people have been want to know one or two things about, and I can just go ahead and know everything. So I have some team members that we do this together also, and some group members that we go ahead and try as much as possible to check out some courses out there and give you honest review concerning what it is about. So that let's talk a little bit about some of the reviews I got from some of my team members who try as much as possible to get access to this program, and it costs only $50 for those of you that don't know. And I'm sure some of you will have known that, but if in case you don't know, it costs just $50 for you to get access to the Hustlers University 4.0 program. Oh yes, it's $49.99, but it's approximately $50. So now let's talk from the reviews from some of my team members. The first one here is Gable. And what Gable has to say is that although I am already good in stock trading, however, I can say I learned one or two things around technical analysis from the tutor. They tried their best, though, although not the best out there. So what this guy actually said is that this course is a good one, but he also learned one or two things around the technical analysis. But however, it's not the best out there. So thinking about this, also you will surely learn one or two things from Andrew Tate. Like that is just this guy. Like it's kind of one of the guys I respect out there also. And there is no, are you surely gonna learn? And although he's not the one that is gonna be teaching you, they have their own professor that is taking the stock aspect. So that is what you have to know. I think I shared the what is his name? Yeah, that's so they have a professor that is taking them for that, and several other courses out there. Now, what you have to know is that the $49.99, which is approximately the $50, is not only for the stock trading; it's for all the curriculum, like all the courses on this program. Okay, so that is it about that. And although it's not the best out there, just like we said, but it's also a good one. At least you'll be able to learn one or two things from these guys. Now, talking about the second person that I'm gonna try to check out right here is Charlie. And what Charlie actually said is that I really will not recommend this for beginners who are just getting started. Like, dude, do we also imagine we can get a whole lot from $99.99 program? Ha 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 ha. So okay, so that's what Charlie has to say. Like it doesn't really believe that we could get a lot from this program. And actually after enrolling and trying checking it out, he said it doesn't recommend it for beginners. Although I would feel like okay, I should recommend this for beginners because you can easily just use it to get started. Although you shouldn't rely on this to make a lot of money, but you should be able to get one or two things from these and also get more insight concerning what stock market is all about. But that is what Charlie has to say. Well, that is his own opinion right here. That he doesn't recommend it for beginners who are just getting started. And that is it. That is what he has to say right there. So if you're a beginner, probably maybe you're a beginner that you just want to get into the stock market and you just want to get started with something and learn stock trading. You can give this a try though. But if you're the kind of beginner that maybe you're looking for a way to make money online and you felt okay, this is something that can help you out, then I don't really recommend it like that. Okay. So we still have more to say right here. We have Victor, and Victor says stocks can easily be gotten from the internet, mate. So that is what Victor has to say, that these things can easily be gotten from the internet. So he doesn't really believe that you'll be able to, get a lot of knowledge from this program. And it felt like instead of you wasting your money to, probably join this program, why don't you just go ahead and, just get everything from YouTube, just with a Google search or a YouTube search, you'll be able to learn more about stock trading. All right, talking more about stock trading, stock trading refers to the buying and selling of shares of or ownership in companies through a stock exchange or other trading platforms, and traders aim to profit from changes in the stock price over time. It's a way for investors to potentially earn returns by capitalizing on market fluctuations. So that is it about the stock trading, like the stock market, how the stock trading works. So although we're done about the review, now let me just give you some of the limitations that you might encounter as a beginner. A lot of limitations that several beginners encounter, but they wouldn't want to talk much about it. So let's talk about that very quickly. The first one is the market volatility, which is the stock prices can experience rapid and unpredictable fluctuation due to various factors such as economic data releases, company earnings reports, geopolitical events, and changes in investor sentiment. And also this volatility can lead to unexpected losses and gains, making short-term predictions challenging. Okay, and another reason why a lot of limitations happen in stock trading is the aspect of lack of control, because traders have limited control over external factors that influence stock prices. And the thing is that global events, government policies, and economic indicators can all impact market movements, making it difficult to accurately forecast price trends. Okay, another aspect that you have to put into consideration is the emotional decision making, whereby emotional responses like fear, greed, and excitement can lead to impulsive trading decisions, and these emotional biases can override rational analysis, causing traders to buy or sell based on feelings rather than solid strategy. Another point that you have to take into consideration that causes a lot of limitations for several newbies is the high transactional cost. Frequent buying and selling of stocks can lead to substantial transaction fees, brokerage commissions, and other charges. Now, these costs can eat into potential profits, especially for daily traders who make numerous trades. Time commitment is also what you have to know, because active trading requires constant monitoring of the market and analyzing charts, news, and trends. And this can be time consuming and stressful, potentially leading to burnout or neglect of other important activities. Talking more about this limitation, we also have information overload, because the financial markets generate a vast amount of data, including news, earnings report, technical indicators, and more. Now, traders may struggle to process and interpret all this information, leading to analysis paralysis or making decisions based on incomplete or inaccurate data. Talking about, we also have several other limitations like lack of knowledge, regulatory changes, and margin trading risks, market manipulation, and several other ones out there. Now, if you're asking me if this Oslas University, course is something that is what for beginners, so you might ask me, you might wonder that, okay, you as a beginner, is this what something you can join? Well, I would say it's okay for you to join as a beginner, and even if you're an expert, you can also use this to, build more connections with several other people out there, because these guys are using Discord to teach you. It's more like a university whereby you are in a lecture room and you're listening to your professor, while they are teaching. So that is how Andrew Tate does this. So you also build more connection, because I've said it earlier on in some of my videos that there are some kind of courses that I even paid for that I never got value from the course, but I was able to use it to build connection, with another person who also enrolled for that program and also have more knowledge or probably what I don't know, in this internet marketing space. So you can use this to build more connection with others as an ex-intermediate, while as a beginner, you can use this to, learn the primary and the fundamental aspects of stock trading and learning how the stock market works in general. However, you just spending $50, or no, I know it might be a little bit much for some people, but I think $50 is just something that you should still be able to cough out easily, compared to all these high ticket courses out there that are gonna, consume all the money that you have without you getting any value. And Andrew Tate is a cool guy, although he's kind of controversial, but he also has, one of those good side, and that is the aspect of, him giving you stuffs like this for a cheap price. However, you have to know that there are thousands of people who enroll for this. So whatever they're gonna be teaching you, there are also, to over 20,000 people out there or more than that that are also learning whatever you are learning. So the strategy is not unique any longer, and that is just what you have to know. And that is why you can't use it to make money. I always say, like, whatever it is these guys are teaching you in this stock trading, you really can't rely on it to make money like that, because it's kind of already saturated. By the time thousands of people already know about a strategy, then it's no more a strategy and it's no more a secret. It's already something that is exposed, and you can't really rely on stuff like that. So it's always better that you try a strategy that not a lot of people know about it, and that is the only way you can keep making money like that. Now, if you want to ask me that, okay, Maverick, I want to make money online, should I go for this? I would say no, because as a beginner, this is not guaranteed to make you money. But if you feel like, okay, I just want to learn more about, I just want to learn the fundamentals of stock trading and the stock market generally, then I will say yes, you can go for it. Or if you want to make money online, maybe as a beginner, you want to earn online, or you already into the internet marketing space, but you need a side also, then you can try my type of business, which involves the usage of YouTube Shorts and affiliate marketing. And what we do is that we create just a 5-second silent video and we upload it on YouTube Short. And by the time we upload it, it gets a lot of views, and we use it to promote affiliate products. And that is not all. Presently, YouTube have now rolled out, ads payment for YouTube Short. So even aside the fact that you're earning with affiliate marketing, you are also earning from YouTube ads revenue. And the most palatable thing about this is that you're getting started with this for free. You need zero capital to get started with this type of business. So it's not all these businesses whereby you need huge funds to get started. It's easy to get started. And if you want to learn more about this, you can click the link in the video description or check the screen. You're going to see a link there. The funniest thing is that I don't even have a course course on this because all I do is give reviews on courses out there. So you're just gonna be learning from my mentor who also taught me how to do this. So just click the link in the video description and check the screen. You're gonna see there. And sometimes if you come to YouTube, you'll see some videos like YouTube Shorts that has millions of views out there. And these guys are not even talking. They're probably just pointing to their screen or just showing their front screen, and they're getting millions of views and they're using it to promote and make a lot of money. And affiliate marketing doesn't need you to get started with any capital because you're promoting someone else's product and you're getting 50% commission or more from that. So if you want to learn more, just click the link in the video description or check the screen. You're going to see a link there. Copy paste it in your browser and I'm going to see you right there at the other hand. Thank you very much for your time. Peace and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.